those little birds that you can see hovering above my head. They're called Rifleman, Tītipounamu. They're the smallest bird in New Zealand, one of the smallest birds in the world. 6 or 7 grams. They come from an ancient lineage of birds, one of the oldest ones in the world, one of the oldest perching birds still alive. That's a group of over 5,000 species alive today. Very special, endemic to New Zealand. There are weta that weigh more than that. Still present on the mainland, where the habitat is suitable and we have appropriate pest control in place, keeping pest numbers at low densities, preferably none though. One of the more recent introductions to Tītipounamu. People are just starting to see them now. Very special, very special.